Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 8 subject Social Science chapter number 11. The name of the chapter is the United Nations. What happened to dear children? Here they have to given the name as a United Nations. Now, dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have already learned about the special organization of the United Nations. In this, we have learned about the name of the special organization of United Nations, short form of the special organization, where is the headquarters of this organization, and which are the major functions of this organization. We have learned about the WHO, it means World Health Organization. Their headquarters is in Geneva. Here, they have to work as a function, effort to improve the physically and the mental health of the people of the world. After second one, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Their headquarters is in Paris. They work to contribute peace and security by promoting the international collaboration with education, science, culture. Next, we have learned about the ILO. It means International Labour Organization. Its headquarters is in Geneva. Here, the ILO work to promote the rights at work, and they have strengthening the dialogue on the work-related issue and create the more opportunity of the employment. Next one, dear children, they have given about the UNICEF. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, or United Nations International Children's Fund. Here the headquarters is in New York, and here they work for the development and assistance to the children and the mother in developing the country to get a good standard of the living and the nutrition food. And this institution work for the children's welfare program. Next, FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. Where is their headquarters? Rome. Here they work for the high quality of the food and to promote the agriculture sector. And last, WB or IPRD, World Bank or International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Where is the headquarters? Washington DC. Here the World Bank provides the low interest rate loan to the any nations, and here this money is used for the education, health, public administration, infrastructure, financial, private sector development, agriculture, environmental and natural resources management. Here they can invest their money. All these things, dear children, we have to learn into the previous lecture. Now, dear children, today we have to learn about the cooperation of India to the United Nations. Today, dear children, we learn about the cooperation of India to the United Nations. Here, we can say that India has adopted the strategy of solving the dispute with other countries through the United Nations. What happened, that dear children? They have to say that India has adopted the strategy, which strategy? To solving the dispute with any other nation through the United Nations. It means India has adopted the strategy to solving the any dispute with other nation to the United Nations peacefully. India has always contributed on a large scale to the peacekeeping force of the United Nations by sending the soldier whenever it required. What they are saying, that dear children, they are saying that India has always given their contribution on the large scale to the United Nations regarding with the peacekeeping force. Whenever any requirement of United Nations, that time the India sent their soldiers to the United Nations. So what happened, that India has always contributed on large scale to the peacekeeping forces of the United Nations by sending the soldiers whenever they have required. Next, dear children, in this they have to given that India had sent a team of the doctor to the treat the wounded soldier in the Korean War. What happened that, dear children? In Korean War, that time India sent the doctors for the treatment of the soldiers. Indian delegation on various posts in the United Nations have contributed to the welfare with their knowledge and experience. What they are saying that, dear children? They are saying that Indian delegation on the various posts in the United Nations have given their contribution to the welfare with their knowledge as well as their experience. India's contribution as a member of Security Council. Dear children, we remember what happened there. They are saying that India has also given their contribution as a member of Security Council and other organs has always been noteworthy. The great ideals of the Panchashil are a gift of India to the world. What happened there, dear children? Great ideals. They are saying that great ideals of the Panchashil are the gift of the India to the world. And also, dear children, we can say that India believe in the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It means the whole world is our family. So these kind of the great ideals given by the India to the world. Next one, dear children, they have given about the ray of hope for the human race. What they have given there? They have given that ray of hope for the human race. In this, dear children, they have given that if all the countries of the world cooperate with the United Nations. What they are saying that, dear children? They are saying that if all the countries of the world cooperate with the United Nations, that time world peace can be obtained in the real sense. Whenever the real sense we can say that we obtain the world peace when if all the nations of the world or if all the countries of the world cooperate with the United Nations with the peacefully. So, if all the countries of the world cooperate with the United Nations, then we can say that world peace can be obtained in the real sense. For this, it is necessary that every country resort to stop the production of the deadly weapons. First of all, there is a need that every nation can stop producing the weapons. And so they have given that it is necessary that every nation resort and stop the production of the deadly weapons. Crore of rupees can be saved if this race of increasing the weapon in the countries need. Why? They are given that, dear children, presently each and every nation doing the competition with other nation, with their enemy for production of the weapons. So here they have to say that we can stop the production of the weapons and we have to save this money. And this saving money we can use for the welfare of the people, for education sector, industrial sector, agriculture sector, infrastructure. So here what they have given that, dear children, they have to given that this money can be used for the welfare of the people. So they have to say that crore of rupees can be saved if this race of increasing the weapons in the countries ends, and this monies can be used for the welfare of the people. So we can say that here Earth is the only planet for us to live on. Dear children, you know very well that Earth is only the planet where all are living. Human beings, is there birds, animal, each and every. So here they are given that Earth is only the planet for us to live on, and it is the responsibility that we have to take care about our Earth, and this is the this is also the our responsibility that we have to take care about the nature. Also we have to take care about the birds, animal, each and every one. So here they have given that Earth is only the planet for us where the human beings are living. So thus human beings have aimed to achieve the world peace and universal brotherhood. What they are given that, dear children? Here they are given that here the main aim of the human being is to achieve the world level peace and universal brotherhood. It means we have given the respect to the other person and the other nation, other religion, other caste. So they are given that we have to believe into the universal brotherhood, and we have also achieved the world peace. This is the main aim of the human beings. So dear children, in this chapter we have to learn about the United Nations establishment. After we have learned about the objective of the United Nations, and in detail, dear children, we have to learn about the organizations of the United Nations. Thank you, dear children.